Today we are making
pretzel.
So in order for the yeast to activate, we need sugar, get the food, and warmth and moisture. So for the moisture, we'll be adding warm water. We need 1.5 cup of water. So again, add a flat surface, put it on a flat surface and measure at an eye level, 1.5. So in 1.5 cup of water, you will be adding sugar. So we need 1 tablespoon of sugar, that's 15 ml. Start here. And we are using quick rice yeast. If you're using an individually packaged one pack is enough. 1 pack is equivalent to about 2 teaspoons and a quarter. Okay, so the yeast has been dissolved in water, warm water for over 5 minutes. Now we'll be preparing dry ingredients. We need 4.5 cups of flour. And now we'll be adding 2 teaspoons of salt. So 2 teaspoons will be 10 ml. 1/4 cup of oil. Okay, so now you can just mix it with a wooden spoon. Can I do it? Actually, make sure your sleeves are rolled up. Flour. So what you're doing, using your palm of your hand, fold your dough halfway into you, and then we push with your palm away from you. Rotate 90 degrees, fold it, push it with your palm, keep fold it. You keep doing this about 3 to 4 minutes. I'll be cutting this into 8. I'm just using a metal spatula here. So what you can do, make into one loop like this. Roll it. Instead of one long rope, what you guys will do, twist this around like this. After that, bring the ends together.
Can you please read mine?
That's gonna rise again. So here's one pretzel ready. For 15 minutes. So now finish touch is, if you want just regular pretzel, you can put butter and then a salt. Yuna loves Parmesan cheese, so you can use melted butter, but our pretzel is still warm, so we'll just put butter